What is this now? Why? Why not again? What is all this? What is... Eh? My God. I hate death. I hate death.
I see you're cleaning my mess.
Well, Ken, what's all this now? You know I hate death. You know this. Why is your kitchen always messy? I have told you countless times to always clean your kitchen. What is all this? You know I hate being in a dirty kitchen. If you know you can't do this, employ someone to clean it up for you. It's too messy.
Babe, I'm sorry, okay? It's because of work.
No, that's your excuse. You keep saying that all the time.
I was busy at work, that's why. I'm sorry, okay? It won't happen again. It won't happen, trust me. Cross my heart.
Don't like it now, eh?
Sorry, darling. Please. Oh, you want to cook?
Yeah, I want to cook.
Oh, so what do you want to cook?
Fried rice.
Oh, that is my baby girl. You sure know how to make daddy happy.
That's how you used to bribe me.
I guess it's a way of saying thank you for a job well done.
Excuse you? What's job well done?
You've forgotten so soon that I took you to Cloud9. I left you there. And you were screaming, Kennedy, don't stop. You're going to kill me. Don't stop.
Do you know you're a clown?
Wait,
You took her to Cloud9. Me? That's why you're so lazy to come down to
lazy. I'm not lazy.
Kitchen is the best. Go. You will distract me now. Leave me. Let's wash plates together. Oh yeah, get those bottled waters.
Fine.
Not just to keep...
Fine.
Pack all of them.
Okay.
I'm just smiling.
This looks good.
Why not? Why are you smiling?
My, oh my.
What?
This is amazing. I mean, you are blessed with beautiful culinary skills. This is good. Dang.
What you guys all have to say that? You're scared. Thank you. You like the food, right?
I love it, darling. I love it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, good food. I love good food.
Babe,
Yes, darling.
there's something I want to ask you. I've been meaning to ask. I just feel like now is the right time to do so.
Okay, what is it?
When do you intend seeing my parents?
Your parents.
Yeah, my parents. Babe, we have been dating for almost 2 years now. And I expect that we take this... I feel like we should take this relationship to the next stage. You always praise me. You love my cooking skills. You enjoy me in the other room. You promise me things, tell me good words. Don't you think it's high time we'll permanent this relationship and seal it off with marriage?
Okay, darling, I get your point. Yeah. And I promise you that I will do something about it, okay? I love you so much.
I love you too.
Are you okay?
I love you too.
And let's get back to this amazing.
Take it easy. Calm down. The food is not... We still have more in the pot.
Yes.
Calm down, okay?
Forget school.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
I will.
Wait, let me feed you some. I said you should take it easy, okay?
Don't do that
We
again.
still have more in the pot. Calm
Yes,
down.
I know.
Take it now. For my to baby.
For real? I'm not doing anything. Let's
Okay, sorry, baby. My baby. Kid, but would you give me some?
Sure,
Why is it so small? It's so small.
you want to not?
Add more spawn to it. Go ahead. No, give me.
One.
Hey! Odogwu! Odogwu na nteje! Odogwu na nteje! Kekere.
Alpha. You don't drink bottle already.
I did drink now. Wetin wan make I do?
Alpha.
You were your Joe. You were a bad guy.
What did I do again?
You offload container. You clear everything. You don't tell your man. You don't collect money.
Guy, business. No time, I beg. Alpha.
Ojo.
I like that. I beg. Please.
Yeah, I beg. Bring up, Drake, I beg.
Alpha now.
Kekere, man.
How the business?
Now this one why I see you, man. Wetin dey happen? You know, say immediately when your woman come, nobody go see you. You go just stay inside. But this one why I see you, now it be like say she don't waka.
But she come, oh. She come. Now she a go drop before I come see you, so.
Eh.
Now.
Nice one.
It's open now. Thank you.
Ah, my brother.
Guess what?
Yeah.
She said we should go and see her parents. Guy, I don't leave you for market too. Did you?
Where you go see your parents for waiting?
What else if not marriage? What else? Not marriage now.
Kennedy. I don't tell you, no make the mistake of marrying this city girl, so. No make that mistake, oh. I dey tell you.
Are you saying that city girls are not good enough for marriage?
My brother, make I ask you one question. Me and you, now for Idumota we dey do business.
Yeah.
For that Idumota where we dey do business, how many of the young men we marry recently marry from the city? No be village, all of them go marry their wife. Kennedy, as you see me like this, I no go make that mistake, say I wan marry city girl. I dey craze. You wan make she destroy me with her woke mentality. Brother, see, what of Ebuka? You remember Ebuka, abi?
Yeah, yes.
Ebuka wey him wife, you know reach 2 months wey him marry am, the woman leave am, he divorce am. Because he go marry city girl. What of wetin be name? This one where they sell cosmetics for line 7. Ifeanyi. that one he make me laugh sef. That one like, you know, this 1 week when he marry the woman leave am. After if I don't spend over 20-something million naira for wedding. I see her yesterday, and if you see as he be like this, he never recover from that experience reach now. My brother, make I tell you, these women, they get gender equality for their mind. If you just wake up in the middle of the night, they go just waka comot your house. For no reason at all, until your marriage don't end. I dey tell you, I don't know the kind people where these city girls be. Oh. See. You know the worst part? They can leave your marriage for the flimsiest of reasons, and at the end of the day, they will go become side chick to another married man, or even married men.
You have a point. You have a point, Uche.
My brother, they tell you. Okay, see Godfrey. Godfrey say, na slave queen he won't marry. He go marry that girl, we get big nash. What happened to them? He come back one morning, the girl don't sweep in house, empty everything, carry 2 children, go Canada. My brother, Godfrey no go see those children again. No. I dey tell you, no go see them again for a life. See, this is second marriage where they enjoy. Now because say in go village, go marry village girl, carry am come city, brush am to in taste. Now be this marriage when they enjoy like this.
So what you're trying to say is that city girls won't make a good wife.
Brother, 99.9% of them no be marriage material. I dey tell you, they no be marriage material. They fit pretend though, if you marry them new, they can't pretend like say they be good girl. They fit say they don't marry better wife. But brother, just give them 6 months. Or make them just drop one pikin. Immediately when they drop one pikin, you go see say they don't turn to tiger. That person where you marry, you no go recognize them again. If you talk one, you go talk 100. My brother, they tell you. Before you know, they go start this their women supporting women, gender equality mentality. I dey tell you. See, Kennedy, if you want to enjoy your marriage, make you pack your bag, go village. When you reach village, no rush. Oh. Take your time. First of all, go stream. You say get stream for village. Go stream, go bath, wash your face, wash am well well. Now open your eyes. Look for girl where you like for village. Pick am, marry am, carry am come city, brush am to your taste. My brother, now wetin I go do with that? Say I dey craze, ma I go marry these girls. My brother, show your eye o. I dey tell you.
Uche is right to a great extent. Most of our friends now go to the village to pick a wife, and their marriages are doing fine. On the other hand, the ones married women based in the city, their marriages have either dissolved or head into the rock. I think Uche is right. I will go to the village and pick a wife. He is right. Mama, the thing is that I would like to marry from the village.
That's a good thing. It's always better to marry from home. Your cousin also traveled all the way from London to the village to look for a wife.
Yeah, Mama. You told me about it. But the truth is, I can't leave my village and come down to the village to look for a girl. My business will suffer. I can't leave my business, Mama.
I'm your mother. I will get a good girl for you to marry. You don't need to come down to the village at all.
Oh, that's better then. That is okay. But, Mama, another thing that bothers me is that we may not be compatible. And, you know, this is about marriage. It's not like a relationship where we can snap in and out anytime we want. This is marriage. It's forever union. I need to know the girl I want to spend the rest of my life with. So I don't know. It's just bothering me, Mama.
Once I find one, she will come spend some time with you in the city. But you must send money for us to go and see our parents and do small introduction.
Mama, that is not a problem. Sure, I will. I need to hurry up to a meeting now. I'll talk to you later, Mama. Take care. Please take good care of yourself. And don't forget I love you. Yes, Mama.
The original African queen. My Oga's one and only.
Kizito, hi.
Before you come, I won't get small headache, but as I see you now, I don't do okay very well. Oga.
Baby.
Wait. You should have told me you're coming here.
Babe, I'm sorry. I just wanted to surprise you.
And I don't like this kind of surprises. I don't like it.
Babe, I said I'm sorry. I only came here to make soup for you.
You don't have to bother yourself. I'm going out now.
I don't understand. What's going on? What do you mean?
Look, Vicky. Don't think I'm being inconsiderate. But I don't want you to cook for me anymore.
Why?
I have someone to catch up with. I'm late. I'll talk to you later. Excuse me.
Man. Hey.
I let their voices creep into my mind. Words like shadows, leaving doubts behind. You were my heartbeat.
Are you serious? Come on, stop it. You know what? Tell Chinonso that if I catch him, I will beat his head. I'm at home, Jerry. I'm just at home. I'm chilling. Vicky, he's not around. I will definitely be there. Don't worry. Okay. Can I call you back? Let me call you back. Madam, Vicky, what's up? You're back.
Yeah.
I thought you said you're going to cook for your man.
Yes, I'll just I got the soup item. I'll just make it here.
I'll take it to him later.
Maybe.
But are you okay?
Susan, I beg.
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah. Ooh. I let the voices creep into my mind. Words like shadows, leaving doubts behind. You were my heartbeat, but I turned away, lost in the chaos and confusion of what they will say. Now I wonder if I have lost you. My heart's in despair, caught in the noise and chaos, and I forgot the love we shared. I was so blind, but now I clearly see that you are the one that's for me. Friends with their opinions, families with their fears. I let them confuse me.
Ogechi!
Sir? Morning, no.
Good morning, I'm off to work. Take care of the house, okay?
I hope you will not stay long outside.
Oh, no, I won't. I'll come back early.
Okay.
Are you not going to give me a peck before I go?
But that when you come back.
When I come back. Fine then. If you need anything, it's in the fridge. All right, take care. Make yourself comfortable. See you when I come back.
Bye-bye.
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 Oh, yeah. Ooh. I let the voices creep into my mind.
Oh, God. Ogechi,
Yes, brother, welcome.
why are you sitting on the floor?
The floor is nice now. This chair is too fine. Chair is too beautiful. I don't want to stain it. So I said, let me sit here.
What are you talking about? And who says when you sit on them, you stand there?
Brother, my mommy said I should give you agidi, abacha, ede, even a bitter leaf is inside. Palm oil is inside.
I'm so sorry I didn't show you around yesterday. I was so tired. I drove all the way. Let me take you to your room. Let's go.
My room?
Let's go. Don't move more. Just follow me. This way.
Okay. Thank you.
Ogechi,
Hmm?
this is your room. Where you slept last night is the guest room. I needed to arrange this place before you move in. So relax and make yourself comfortable.
Hi, it's nice. It's nice. Hey. Mommy Mo! Mommy, I'm not Lagos. My husband man is here. He's here to tell you thank you. Yes. Mommy Mo! Okay. Yes, I gave him the ede and the crayfish. He likes it too. Mommy, thank you. Mommy, the place is beautiful. It's very nice. See, Mommy, tell Kenechukwu that her big sister don't arrive Lagos. Hey!
Oh, yeah, Mama. We arrived safely. The journey was smooth, yes. No, she's not here with me. She's in her room. Oh, okay. But, Mama, this girl is so local. I don't know, she's... Mama, you said so. Yeah, I don't know how... Let me call you back, please. All right, Mom.
I don't know what you eat. I don't know. Can I make agidi for you?
No, don't worry. I have rice and stew in the fridge. Just help me microwave it.
Microwave? Getting cable microwave.
You don't know what a microwave is? Okay. Come with me. I'll show you. Where are you, BJ? Come. Haven't you seen something like this in the village before?
Yes, now.
You have?
Photocopy machine.
Photo what?
Photocopy machine. I know it now. Easy to
Ogechi. This is not a photocopy machine. This is a microwave. We use it to heat food, to make it either hot or warm. Let me show you how to use it. Get a plate of food from the fridge. Go. Hurry.
This side?
Yeah, check the side.
This one?
Yeah. Bring it. Press this place.
Wait, you want to put food inside?
Hold on a second. Press this button. Push it in. Careful, it's not gonna hurt you. Okay, so you put the food inside.
I put the food inside?
Yes, it is not a photocopy machine, just watch. Push this button down. This one. That's it, it's on now. So you press this.
Oh.
So you wait for like a minute or two to make the food very hot or warm, however you want it.
Guy, this girl is empty. She's blank. Nothing there ahead at all. She doesn't know anything. She can't get you advise me go carry from village, come city like this.
Kennedy, if the girl dey empty, fill am up.
Fill am up.
Yes.
I don't understand. Now, caregiver for tell you the feelings. I don't understand. What do they feel? Feel waiting.
Kennedy, see. All these things, now the idea be that. No be to go village, go bring person, we never get any bad orientation. You go can't change the orientation, you go brush am, clean am up, polish am, give am the orientation where you want, where go make am at the end of the day, she go dey loyal and faithful to you forever.
It's so easy for you to say. Bring her, polish her, touch her, shine her, clean her. Now, so it's easy to talk, abi? First, I have to make her unlearn some of the stupid things she has in her head. She's so dumb, like nothing.
Stupid what? No be you talk now say the girl dey blank. Which one come be stupid?
Blank, stupid, blank, they did together.
Ha! See, Kennedy, all these things where they complain now, I understand. You know, say you just bring her come from village. So she feel they behave like Mumu. No, she feel they do some kind things where they make her look like say him be Mugu, you know, get sense. Him be a cow. But now just for this time, you know, say she know they used to this environment where you bring her come. She know she grew up for village. And now better thing for you, my brother. By the time when you don't fill them up with the things where you want make it know, the kind person where you want make it be, my brother, after 6 months, now you go shock with the kind transformation where you go see. No wetin dey happen for Amuwo now. They plenty now. From village before you know it, you don't become city girl way sharp. Pass all these guys way from abroad, come back safe. I tell you.
I hope it works like this.
Yes.
Because it's so easy for you to say. I hope it works.
Sir, it go work. I don't see am for Amuwo now. Now what did they do for Amuwo?
Empty.
They go marry them before you know it, the girls go turn. You go see they go fine, get fine shape, they dress well. But a village girl, now what did I go do, my brother? Just relax, you go see am.
I hope it works because
You go walk.
all this your advice really great.
Just get patience. Get patience. No drink, I beg.
Hi. That's fine. Too fine. No, welcome.
Ogechi, what are you doing?
I'm drinking Gary.
Gary?
Mm-hmm.
I thought I told you there's food in the fridge.
Hi. I finished it now.
All that food?
Yeah, very nice.
It's not enough for you?
No, it's enough now.
So why are you drinking Gary?
Because I have to drink Gary before going to bed. If not, I won't sleep well. When I drink Gary, I sleep like a baby.
What are you talking about now? Who told you that you have to drink Gary before you sleep well? Who told you that?
No, I have to drink Gary before I sleep well. You can ask my mother. Ask her. She'll tell you. If I don't drink Gary, granuts, and sugar before going to bed, I will have bad dreams, nightmares. I won't sleep.
Yes,
I'll be really.
Yes, fine.
I have to drink this Gary to sleep like a baby.
Ogechi, I get it. But please, next time when you want to drink your Gary, take it to the dining table and not in the living room. It's not nice. Am I clear?
Okay. I'll finish this one.
What did I get myself into? Fine. That's enough. Please get me a glass of water from the fridge.
Glass of water from the fridge.
Yes.
Okay.
What kind of problem did I get myself into like this?
Say glass of water. Glass of water. There's no glass of water in the fridge. Oh. Yeah. Glass of water is not in this fridge. One glass of water in the fridge. Yeah. Glass of water no dey here. Maybe you no know wetin dey talk. Hey! Now, didn't see any glass of water in the fridge. Oh.
What do you mean?
That there is no glass of water
I left
in the fridge.
5 to 6 bottled water in the fridge. You drank all of it?
No, I don't drink water from the fridge. Oh. I drink water from the tap inside the kitchen. You know, in the village, it's even stream that we collect water from. So I was looking for stream. I didn't see stream. I just said, let me manage the one from the tap.
Ogechi, what is wrong with you?
What is wrong with me, Kwan?
What is your problem? What?
As how, Kwan? The water is clean now. It's sweet.
How can you be doing this to yourself, for Christ's sake? How can you be drinking tap water? It's so healthy for you. That is why we have bottled water and sachet water. So why would you go? Please, don't you ever take tap water in this house again. Am I clear?
Yeah.
From today, if you want to drink water in this house, it's either bottled water or sachet water. Am I clear? No more tap water.
Yeah. Oh, I no go.
Excuse me.
Hey, my son gone.
How can she say there's no water in the fridge? What did she think I meant when I said, get me a glass of water? Oh, God. This is not going to be easy at all. It's not. So does it mean that there's no decent girl with better education in that village? Hey, honey.
Baby,
So you're tired?
I've been waiting for you.
So sorry.
What happened?
My love, there was a lot of traffic on Third Milan Bridge. A trailer fell off and...
It's okay. Don't you think we should have this discussion in the bedroom?
that sounds inviting. Come here.
Missed you.
Miss you too, darling. Oh, so early. Come on, let's go. Hey, I love you so much.
I love you too. But you look too serious. Why?
Because I've had a very stressful day. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Okay, bought it.
Let's go. Got it.
Darling. You know, I miss you. I was just...
Hi, baby. My love.
Hey, darling.
I missed you. Are you okay? Babe, what is it? You can talk to me.
The landlord of this place wants to sell it. His brother told me about it.
And you're scared the new owner may eject you.
Exactly.
Then buy the house.
You think it's a good idea?
I think you should. See him and discuss it with him. If he tells you how much he's selling, you negotiate a payment plan with him. If you don't have physical cash, I could help you get a loan in the bank.
Are you serious, darling?
Of course I am.
Jeez. Oh, God, thank you for blessing me with a beautiful woman with brains. You know, not for once did I think of buying this place. It never crossed my mind. Can you just... Hey, honey, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, darling. Thank you. You just ease the stress off me now.
So this is all I get? Not even a hug from you?
Honey, you deserve more than a hug. What are you talking about?
Yes, that's why you're giving me that mood.
Hey, yeah, I was just... Why do you like that now? I love this place. I love the place.
Just buy it, okay? Have you eaten?
Yeah, no, I'm okay.
I'm actually hungry.
Okay, so how about I make you something to eat? Is that time to go to the kitchen?
Welcome, Oga.
Kizito, how are you?
I do okay, Oga. Oga, the house girl we been follow you come. They for palo.
Which house girl are you talking about?
That house girl now we come from village.
Will you shut up? Who told you she's a house girl?
Oga no vex now because she resemble house.
Keep quiet and go back to your duty post.
Sorry, Oga.
Imagine leaving an intelligent and sophisticated lady for a village girl who doesn't know anything at all, just because I want a marriage that will last. They say sophisticated ladies don't last in their marriages, and Vicky may not be an exception. I will do my best to brush Ogechi up to my taste.
Hey, see my jambo!
Why? Why did you stop the music? Go ahead.
No, the music stopped.
Wow. You are such a good dancer.
Na me they carry first for dance for village. Na me be number one. Yes. Ha.
Really?
My girls go they miss me now. I dey dance. I dey scatter dance for village. Hi. They go they miss me.
So you have a dance group?
Yes, now.
What do you guys call yourself?
Ogechi Kama.
Oh, what?
God's time is the best. That's the name of our dance group. Ogechi Kama.
Okay. Well, sincerely speaking, you are such a good dancer.
Thank you.
Sorry, excuse me. Hello? Oh, yeah, I called the man. I will deliver everything tomorrow morning. Yeah, sure, first thing tomorrow morning. Oh, yeah.
Baby, what is the matter? What is wrong?
What do you mean?
You know what I mean, Kennedy. You know what I'm trying to say. You don't call me anymore to check up on me. Whenever I call you, your voice is as cold as an ice. Everything between us is just like, I don't know, like, I don't even know how to explain it. You just changed overnight, Kennedy. You know what I'm talking about. What is it? Talk to me. Did I offend you in any way? The spark between us has just gone off. Why?
Vicky, there is a lot going on in my life right now.
What is going on, Kennedy? That is what I'm saying. Just talk to me. The reason why I'm calling you is for you to clarify things. Talk to me. What is going on? Tell me. Is there a problem?
I just need you to give me a break.
A break? Why? What do you need a break for? Talk to me, Kennedy. The reason why I'm calling you is just to clarify things. What do you need a break for? Are you breaking up with me?
Vicky, I spoke simple English. I expect you to understand what I meant.
Kennedy, talk to me. I understand, but talk to me. What is the problem? Wait. Ken, you just called me by my name. What happened to you calling me baby?
Vicky, do you realize that you are beginning to nag? And I do not like it.
Nag? Ken, me nag?
Yes, and please stop it.
Kennedy, are you seeing someone else? Are you seeing another woman?
There she goes again. You're simply looking for an opportunity to nag. But guess what? I am not ready for that tonight. Have a good night.
Kennedy. Hello, Kennedy, do not hang up this call. Hello? Hello, Ken? Ken! Babe!
I let the voices creep into my mind. Words
Ogechi.
like shadows, leaving
Ogechi.
doubts behind.
Ogechi.
You were my heartbeat.
Hey! My husband, man. Good morning.
Good morning. Why are you sleeping on the couch when you have a room?
That room. Oh, it's too cold. It's doing me like ice block is inside my chest. The room is too cold. I don't fit.
Ogechi, it's the AC. You should have turned it off.
AC.
Yes.
I don't know how to off AC.
Really? Fine. Go get dressed. Let's go get you some new clothes.
You got
You need some new clothes. I don't like this wrapper you're tying.
my husband, man. Thank you. Oh, my husband, man. Thank you. Why is he not taking my calls?
Maybe in the drive, say, you forgot the drive, they like take phone.
I know, but I sent him a message. Wait, you mean he didn't drop the house key with you?
You don't drop any key.
But he knows I'm coming.
Whether make you try send a message.
I said I have sent him a message. Why isn't he taking my calls?
Now be that.
Why were you not taking my calls?
I was driving. I was actually driving, that's why I couldn't take your calls.
Who is she?
Who?
Who is the lady that just walked past us?
Oh, well, if you must know, that is the lady I want to get married to.
Wait. Kennedy, what did you just say?
Look, Vicky, I'm sorry. I'm sorry it has to end this way, but we have to find a way to move on. I'm done with this. Yeah. It's...
Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Kennedy, after I gave you 3 years, 3 good years of my life, and you're trying
Enough! That is enough. How dare you raise your hand on me? Don't you ever try it again. I will let this one slide. Excuse me, what's wrong with you?
Ken, please, I can explain. Okay, I'm so... Just... Kennedy! Kennedy, I'm sorry, Ken, please, okay, I'm sorry, I will not lay my hands on you anymore, please. Ken!
Ogechi,
Sir?
hurry up.
What is this? Why are you walking like someone that has balls in her buttocks?
The shoe is not allowing me to walk well.
Then go pull it. Wear something low.
Okay. Thank you.
Why are you not wearing the makeup I bought for you?
I'll wear it.
Please hurry up.
Daddy, let's go.
What is this?
It's makeup. You like it?
It's makeup. I like what? What have I gotten myself into? Is this how they wear makeup in your place?
It's because you say you're Russian, so I
Please,
just...
maybe that nonsense. What are you talking about, Ogechi? Do you know how you look? Like a masquerade.
Hey.
You want to go out with me like this? No, it's not going to work. You know what? Just go back inside. Stay. I'll go alone.
No, now, Daddy, I
But you
really...
see, go inside, D. Do you know how you look? Makeup. Oh, God, what have I gotten at?
Let's go now.
Go where? You and who? Go inside and stay. Jesus. What's this?
Let me find clothes now. Do makeup for you, safe. Vicky, how long are you going to cry? Huh? Yes, he dumped you, and so bloody what? Your life has not ended. Pick up yourself and move on. Move on? Did you just say move on? Move on from where? Move on to who? This is someone I have loved my whole life. Are you telling me it's over? How? Well, he doesn't love you much enough to wife you. Can't you see? Huh? Susan, you don't understand. Listen, I understand. I've had heartbreaks before. My point is,
You cannot force someone who doesn't want to stay. See, Vicky, I understand that it hurts, that he is gone. But he better be gone than stay with you and continue to cheat on you and lie to your face. Did you see?
Do you know what it means to love someone? Do you know what it means to love someone and think about this person day and night? Do you know what it means? You think it's that easy?
I get you. Just relax. You'll be fine. No, you'll be fine.
Yes, Yoko. Hey, Chineke. You sabi play Oja? I dey hear for upstairs o. They make me feel of my village. They make me remember my time for village. Na me dey dance pass o. I be number one.
You sabi dance?
Yes, na.
Oh yeah, now.
Number one. Hey, suppose say I get handkerchief now.
You like them?
They play now. Hey.
Make I dey play.
They
Make I dey play. You don't know say na strength I tell they play this thing. I don't tire. 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 Now strength I say they play this thing. No. As I dey play and where you dey enjoy am. You don't know say na strength this thing they collect. Na strength now.
How many seconds when you play? You no even sabi play. You no get strength.
Ogechi, I dey hungry. I never chop since. I just need strength. If I just get small strength like this, I go blow this thing for you. Where we say you go enjoy am. I just need to chop. I no get strength.
You never chop.
I never chop now.
Lazy man. Small thing where you blow. When I go inside, go find food. Sure you go play for me now.
No wahala now. If you just give me food now, if I just reload now, I go play for you. I go entertain you today. You go enjoy am.
No problem.
No, once I chop now, I go get enough strength to play for you.
I dey come.
You sure?
Make I go bring her.
Oh yeah. Make I ginger you go inside.
You go dey play for me. You go dey play for me. Hey! Hey!
Ogechi.
I let their voices creep into my mind. Words like shadows.
Hey, my musician.
Ogechi, you mean no?
Hey, before.
Ngwa,
welu.
Ogechi.
Big boy.
Mama. Ogechi, the most beautiful woman that God created after my mother.
Na me.
You are such a sweet soul.
Na me.
This one presidential treatment oh. See better food.
Your mouth.
You see, if I chop this food finish, I will come get strength, blow this oja for you. You see today, all of my service, and you get time.
Na so.
I go render my services to you.
You don't see food now, your mouth don't sharp. No wahala. Make I dey just walk outside. I won't buy a recharge card. I won't call my mama.
Oh yeah now.
Eh.
I will wait for you.
Chai,
see better food, better meat.
I let their voices creep into my mind. Words like shadows, leaving doubts behind. You were my heart
abacha. We no get abacha for this una city like this. Oh, abacha dey here.
Oh, abacha.
Hey!
Choiko.
Biko, tinye m abacha. Abacha. Abeg o. I hope say it's sweet. Because tinye azụ for me. Eh? Ha ha! Oroma.
Jare.
Oroma.
Customer, welcome. Oh.
Ha ha.
So,
Ego ole how
so
much?
now 1 for 200, but I feel guilty for 500 customer.
This thing where they sell for my village.
That be
300 naira. You tell me one now. Wait.
your village be this so. This one they sweet well. You know, it's compared to what they sell for village.
You just say it's sweet.
It's sweet, yeah. You want try now.
Now orange, I mean a tangerine.
Atajari. Atajari.
You say.
Atajari.
If I taste am no sweet, I no go pay.
Now what for you? You know Sanofi say wetin no good.
Inside.
Only day inside. Now what for you? Take anyone. Take anyone. You like that one? You like taste this one?
No, hey, that one don't spoil. Wow, see as breeze they blow.
I dey tell you.
Eh? This place fine.
Na very cool in the area. That one don't you again. I mean, you no go still want this one again. Where you pick oh, na money they talk oh.
This one they slap.
No, you know they slash. You try this one. You try this one.
But you say you thought say they put on inside.
Only day, you not test on inside. You
I no
don't
taste
get
on it.
spiritual tongue. You see it where?
They craze. It's then a spiritual talk.
Now, wow. You new for this area. I not to know your face oh.
I come visit my husband.
Your husband, you don't marry. I'm not be smart to you. Where your husband they live?
Number 12.
For which estate?
Green Valley.
Oh, Green Grass Estate. I know that side. I know that side. I know that side. No slap you. If you take this one, yeah, you go land down now. Madam, where do?
One ya bacha.
You fine.
One ya bacha.
I know you hear that one where they talk. Now this my friend there, this my new friend, just they make me they laugh anyhow. They tell you.
Also, moving.
Madam, collect money make they go now. Make just time now. They buy anything for you. My friend, give her money, make they go. Give her money, make they go.
Why you dey evoke now? I be like say this thing dey enter your eye.
The enter if you buy for me, I don't mind though. I don't mind. I don't mind.
I'll give you your money. Hey,
I help you, let me not be like say you
hold on for me. It's sweet oh.
You see, no, she dey do am well normally.
Never chop, abi.
I never eat oh. I never eat oh. My sister.
Put another one for my friend.
Thank you. My God, make they call you every time oh. This place is very jovial, very.
I like this place.
Like am.
I go dey come.
I want not be
Breeze dey blow for here.
I swear.
See oh, na my husband motor be that.
Na your husband be that?
Big motor.
Oh, I know that man na. Brassy!
What is Ogechi doing out here, for Christ's sake? Is the apartment not comfortable enough for her? What kind of girl?
Brassy, na your husband be that? No. Brassy, you don't know me.
The man
know me.
Let's go.
Brassy, na here they stay.
Let's go inside.
I say the vessel.
Brassy, where na? You know they go.
Keep the change.
What problem did I get myself into like this?
Oh, the mama. Anyway, oh. Ah, my person.
Now you're the God, I beg go. Hey, now one not be smart thing.
Okay. Sorry. Sorry, Oga. Welcome, Oga. Kizito. Oga. Where did you get that drink from? Oga, I swear, I don't drink on duty.
That is not the question I asked you. Did you buy that drink with your money or not?
It's me that give you.
Now she give me.
Are you out of your mind? Ogechi, what is wrong with you? What gave you the audacity to give him my drink?
Let me explain. The Bible said that God loves a cheerful giver. Good measure, pressed down, shake it together, and running over. Shall men give unto our bosom when you...
Will you shut up? What nonsense are you talking about? What kind of problem?
Take that drink inside.
Take it inside! Can you imagine?
Jesus Christ.
Take it inside! And you? She gave you the drink. You want to drink it, right?
Oga, no verse. No verse for me.
You're out of your mind.
I let the voices creep into my mind. Words like shadows, leaving doubts behind. You were my heartbeat.
Ogechi.
Mama.
Must you always tie wrapper? I mean, don't you have sit-at-home clothes to wear?
I like to tie wrapper when I'm sitting at home.
I like to tie wrapper when you're sitting at home. So do you know how to make fried rice?
Oh, is it concussion rice?
Fried rice is not concussion rice. It's different.
I know how to make jollof rice and concussion rice. I don't know fried rice.
Okay, no problem. Go inside, get dressed. Let me take you to eat fried rice.
Fried rice. Okay. Should I do makeup?
No, please, don't do makeup. Just go inside, dress nicely, and I beg you, do not wear heels. Okay. And wear one of those hairs I bought you.
Okay.
Please hurry up. You can eat.
I let the voices creep into my mind. Words like shadows, leaving doubts behind. You were my heartbeat, but I don't know.
What? Jesus. What the hell are you doing? You crazy? What is wrong with you?
Sir, it's...
Jesus Christ. Why are you eating with your bare hand? What's your problem, Ogechi? God.
They did not give me a spoon.
Why are you disgracing me in public? Why?
See.
Jesus Christ.
Now fork they give me. They no put spoon. You say I should eat. I said let me eat.
Okay, fine. If they didn't give you a spoon and you needed one, why didn't you ask?
I don't know you pay for spoon now. I didn't know I'll ask. You paid for spoon.
Please, can I have a spoon, please? Yeah.
Stolen.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, the spoon now.
See spoon. That's what you used to eat rice. Like this.
What have I gotten myself into?
You don't use fork to eat rice.
Oh, God. Keep it low. Can you keep it low, please?
But see, you see this knife? What's it for? Hmm? What's it for?
Ogechi, eat. Just eat your food, please. Eat.
See this chicken now. You know what? 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 I go take chop am now, brush, and sear the chicken. Yes, now. See, if I use fork now, it no work. How do I eat it? It's hard.
Okay, so that's... Uche, you're not listening to me. You're not.
When did they hear you?
Guy, I have never felt so embarrassed in my entire life. I literally wished the ground would open and swallow me up. Guy.
Because she chopped with her bare hand.
What are you talking? Everybody was there, Uche. Everybody was there. You don't understand what I'm talking about, do you? And to crown it all, she cleaned the same hand on her dress. Bro, I won't run mad. I nearly like, in public. What are you talking about?
My brother, calm down now, calm down. See, this thing, they're very simple. Just get and coach. Possibly, go get a woman, make the woman the coach and tell them the different things where you want. The same thing where Ogechi could do for your wife. The same thing I do for your own wife. Just get them coach, make the teach them everything. How you go carry the speak, they communicate for public. How you go carry the job. How you go carry the behave for occasion.
It's so easy for you to say, Uche. Nobody you the face am now. It's easy for you to say. Be patient, be patient. Follow what God said. Make sure do his hand top. They'll clean it. I've heard you. I'll say it tomorrow. I've heard you. I don't think I can continue with this. And this is too much already. Just can't feel it, girl. Ogechi, why are you still tying wrapper? I thought I bought you nightgowns the other day.
I don't... I like to wear wrapper.
You like to wear wrapper?
Yes.
You need to stop it now. You're not an old woman. You're still a very young girl. Wear nice stuff, sexy things, and look nice.
I don't do sexy things. I'm child of God.
What are you talking about? We are going to get married soon. Leave that child of God thing aside. I'm going to be your husband, so you need to look sweet and charming for me. Please.
Okay. But you have to do bride price first now before we get along.
So if I
sorry, your blood of Jesus. Please don't.
What is it?
My mother said that you have to do something on my head before you can do anything.
Your mom said that?
Yes, now I'm virgin.
Okay then. That's fine. During next month, we will go to the village together. And I will pay your bride price. Of course, you'll become my wife. Is that okay? All right. Sleep. Don't worry, I'm not doing anything. Just relax. Good night.
Night.
Ogechi.
No.
Please come.
Oh, the mama, good morning, oh. Good
What
morning.
are you doing?
I was washing plates.
Okay, when you're done, please sweep the living room.
Okay. Mama.
And I left some clothes by the door of my bedroom. Make sure you wash them for me.
Okay. Mama.
And use the washing machine. Don't use your hands.
I don't know how to use washing machine, oh.
You practically don't know how to use anything. You know what? Just leave the clothes. I'll show you how to use the washing machine when I come back.
Okay. I no go home.
God. Let's take care of the house.
Blink. Nenu, see you now. You're here sleeping on duty. That's how somebody will just enter this house. Thief everything and thief you joy. Eh?
Who tell you say I dey sleep?
Eh?
Who tell you say I dey sleep?
What did they do?
I dey in spirit. I dey follow my papa for up. I dey follow am word. You tell me say I dey sleep. I tell you say I dey sleep.
So you dey pray like this?
Yes, now.
Who you want to deceive? I beg you. Come out for here. Help me open gate. I won't come out.
Come on, go where?
I won't go see my friend them now.
Ogechi, I can't dey suspect you these days, so.
Suspect me say waiting.
You won't go see man, abi?
I beg you, get out. Come open gate for me. Make I dey go.
Ogechi, I'm sorry to disappoint you. You know, you don't dey go anywhere.
For waiting now.
Oga say make I no allow you come for this house.
Shut up your mouth. Oga no talk that kind thing. I dey go. If you don't want to gate for me, I'll go.
You know they go anywhere.
I dey go.
Make I lock and make you know say I no dey play. You don't fit. No.
Nah, what you do like this?
No, you don't fit go anywhere.
Nah.
Oga say make I no allow you go anywhere. Go back inside. Oga say make I no allow you go anywhere. You no dey go anywhere. Go back inside. Don't dey go anywhere.
For that side where she dey sell akara for that side now, he can't tell me say he never eat. Say me I give am food.
Why you go give
I can't give akara finish. She can't carry the money. That's why my auntie dey follow me dey talk anyhow. Wey say I not like. You can't come and tell me say one fight me. Can't tell me say I not dey beat woman. I not dey beat woman.
So wetin you come tell am?
You tell me say I not dey beat woman. I say go call your girlfriend come make come fight me.
You for call me now. Why you come be ask now?
Shey you dey sit down for us.
I go beat am.
You know dey sit down for us now. You know dey sit down for us now. You dey sit down for us. You are not fit call you. You are not fit call you now. You don't use one and break you. Customer. Hey, customer. Hey, you can't buy orange. Hey, customer, sit down now. She, my customer, sit down now.
I think I can't play with you now.
Say me go
Small better breeze.
Auntie, you fine oh.
Now my friends with this.
Welcome.
Useless friends, but we don't dey manage them anyhow we see. They don't say they don't be better person like
This
you.
is girlfriend.
Now so now, my friend.
you dey?
That's it.
I say make I can't play with you now.
You can't bite Ajare.
No, I say make I can't play with you. That place, the AC, they wound me too much. Make I can't collect fresh.
You know this. But if you not bite Ajare, I know now someone say shop today.
So you go shop your tangerine now.
That they do you. Ajare na food. I know that. So Simon, I respect myself for you. I know understand.
So as you dey like this now, I don't got the go.
I never eat. I never
Chop.
shop. I never shout.
Oh yeah, now I cook rice so.
Hey.
Jollof.
I don't go mind follow you go. I go eat
now,
so.
they go.
And Alpha. Judy say me dey watch her now. They come.
Make I help you dey look at market. Me say I dey follow you go where they go.
My better person before. Shade, what's up now? I dey hear me watch her.
Abeg o, pack your market. Me sef dey follow you go.
Oh yeah, carry am make they go. Oh yeah, make na dey.
Hey, another one. I don't understand. You know when me keep something, let me dey pack. I don't understand this place.
Come now, come.
I don't understand.
Hey, no, now come inside, come inside. Wait. Oh. Drop your slippers, so no dirty my palace.
Hey, this your husband.
Before.
Let me see your husband get money.
Yes, na.
Wait.
You think say na small man I marry. Na big woman I be, oh. Ha.
No, clean your body before you sit down.
Sit down. Relax. Hey, my girls, make I go bring una rice.
No, Alana. I don't know plenty. Oh, should we see the size? I get big belly.
This your belly na the full pot, oh. Make I bring the full pot for you. Yeah, girl. She say, oh, yeah, nah.
Sounds fine.
Come, why you carry your bag go give your sister?
I not trust any of una. Una be thief.
You no trust us, now you won't give us your tangerine, may we help you watch after am.
Why you follow me, Kanye?
Because I want shop rice now.
Hungry lion.
Thank you. You know they hungry, why you come here?
Now my fair get yes. Now why I come? You see very soon I go pack all of una and I not get level. See my friend get money.
Now my friend too.
Who be your friend? She know
I
you.
want chop rice.
Bema hear words. Hey.
I go chop jollof rice very well now.
Which kind of jollof rice?
Hey, Vivian. Look, can I talk to you?
I said stay away from me.
Please, can we talk? I beg you. I've been trying to
There
call
is
you, but
nothing to talk about.
you're not taking my
I
phone.
said excuse me.
I beg you, please.
Excuse
I won't take
me.
much of your time.
There is nothing to talk about.
Please.
Excuse me.
I let their voices creep into my mind. Words like shadows, leaving doubts behind. You were my heartbeat, but I turned away, lost in the chaos and confusion of what they will say. Now I wonder if I have lost you. My heart's in despair, caught in the noise and chaos.
Ogechi!
Hey, dear mama. Hey, wait.
What's going on here? What have you turned my house into?
Husband. My husband, I thought this evening he will come back.
You're stupid for saying that nonsense. You're sick! Who are these people and what are they doing in my house?
It's my friends.
Your what?
My girls. They are my clique now. I brought them to, they used to dance, Lagos dance. I wanted to teach them Ogede, traditional dance. So after dancing, everybody is tired. We slept off.
Ogechi, what is wrong? What is wrong with you? Are you mad?
Sir.
Are you? Before I close my eyes and open it, everybody get out! Okay. What have I gotten myself into? What?
Sorry.
Sorry, what? Jesus Christ.
Don't be angry.
Kizito! 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 Kizito!
Oga?
Why did you allow those ladies into my house?
Oga, them be Ogechi friends.
Will you shut up? The next time you allow anybody into my house again, you will lose your job.
But Oga...
Keep quiet, I am still talking!
Sorry.
Nobody comes into my house without my permission. I repeat, nobody comes to my house without what?
Your permission.
Good. Where is she?
Every time, Ogechi this, Ogechi that, Ogechi, like soldier.
Ogechi! Wait! Ogechi, listen to me and listen to me real good. On no account should you invite those girls or anyone else into my house. Am I clear?
Okay, sir.
If this is how you behave in the village, you have to stop it! This is the city. You don't invite anyone to your house. It's not safe. Clean this mess up.
Yes, sir.
Fast. Don't be silly. Get the broom and clean this place up.
No, I want to wash the...
Get a broom!
Sorry, sir.
Howard! Honest. Jesus Christ, what did I get myself into like this? Jesus Christ. Can you imagine? Careful.
Yeah, thank you. I had a good time.
Yes, sure. Oh, feels good to be back home. What?
Why is your sitting room looking like this? Untidy and messy. When last did you clean your house?
Sometime last week.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
Can you
last
do?
weekend, yeah.
Why? You should clean your home every day.
Honey, I don't have the time for that.
Then you create time for it. Kennedy, you create time to eat. I'm sure you create time to sleep. You create time chasing money. You should create time cleaning your home.
You know, for a second, I thought you were going to say, I create time chasing women.
Oh, please, come off it. I'm not kidding. You know I can't function when in a dirty place. What's this? Look at your files everywhere.
Sorry, okay? Sorry, darling. Oh.
I don't like all this, to be honest.
Where are you going to?
To clean this mess, of course. The hell?
You're right.
Can you imagine? Huh? I told you, it's an eyesore for me. I really don't like dirty places.
Darling, you just got here, okay? Can you do this much later?
I cannot function well in a dirty place. It's an eyesore for me.
You're a perfectionist.
You might as well say I have OCD, which is fine, but please, Kennedy, you need to do better.
I hope I'm doing the right thing. I hope.
Hey! Hey! Isigi, wah! Isigi, wah! Hey! Isigi, wah!
What is it? What is it? What?
It's my enemies. See them? Flies, monitoring spirits.
What are you talking about?
They have come to watch me. Village people. They sent all these flies to come and watch me in this house.
Can you stop that nonsense? Can you stop it? Nobody sent flies to monitor you. Monitor you for what exactly?
No, you don't understand. Nah, my husband man. You don't know village people. You see, these village people are very, very wicked. Are very bad. Are terrible. See, they want to come and monitor me because now I'm in the city. Ogechi has arrived. They think they can come and be monitoring me in the city. I will show them.
That's enough. That's enough. Ogechi. That is enough, Ogechi! Nobody sent flies from the village to monitor you. Nobody. And please keep it low. You are disturbing my peace.
Jesus Christ.
Sorry. My husband man. It's not. No. These people cannot destroy my home. Mban. Isigi, wah. Isigi, wah.
Ogechi.
Good morning, my dear.
This is Mrs. Sarah, your private tutor.
Tutor.
I mean your lesson teacher.
Oh, teacher.
Good.
Teacher, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Like I told you earlier, she will come here every morning to hold tutorial and instructional classes with you.
Which one be tutorial and instructional?
So to teach you about life, social etiquettes, how to live, how to take care of environment, and everything you need to know about the basics. Please do well to pay close attention to whatever she teaches you. It's very important.
You're welcome, teacher.
Nice meeting you.
You can go back to your room. Mrs. Sarah, you just have to be careful with her and patient because she just came from the village. You know how these local girls behave.
Hey! Kizito! Hey! Hey! Kizito! Hey! Oh! Hey! Kizito! You dey finish work. You dey bust my brain. Eh? Hey! You say wetin? Na you, after you, na you. Hey! As I hear this music, chai! I say, who dey play that thing? I know say na you. Say make I come outside.
I know. Say once you hear this sound, I know say you go come out. I just want use am catch your attention. I say make you come out, make you come dance for me, you come scatter ground for me.
Finish work. You be a boy, sha. So you dey use that one they call me. Make I come out.
Yes, now. Who be that person wey follow Oga come that time?
Na my private teacher.
You won't go back to school?
No. I just one or two things. Leave that one. Play this thing for me. I beg. Just play am for me. Make I dance. Make it be like say I just go back to my village. No say I be number one for my dance group now. Play am, Kizito. Play am. The thing they scatter my brain. Play am now. Oh yeah, wait. Before you play am, may I go bring my uniform?
Okay.
My uniform back there for village. Wear am for you. I will dance. I will scatter ground for you. Oh yeah, they play am.
You sure say you ready? Oh yeah, now.
They play am, Kizito. Oh yeah, they play am. They play am. Hey! Oh! Kizito, I dey come. Oh!
How? One your ma elevate your look.
Hey! 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 Oh, Nam. Is it again? Hey! Naga. Hey! Oh, Kizito. Hey!
Ogechi's one international baby. Yeah, nigga. Olólùfẹ́.
I know they sing for me, Jare. No dey in the mood for that nonsense.
Ogechi, what's happen now?
Just tire. Just tire. No like the way they do. Just they do anyhow. Just they talk to me anyhow. They shout for my head. They shout give me. I no like her.
No mind Oga. Now so Oga they do. Oga will just they shout for people anyhow. I don't like me if I dey hear as in they shout for you for inside there. I know the day happy about them, but nothing what I feel do. Eh?
Just small thing, no. Because of small thing, what person do? You just they shout like say I be small pikin. I know they like that thing, no.
But why Oga go they shout for fine girl like you now? Eh? Look you now from head to toe. See as you fine. Oga don't know say fine girl like you. Not be shout. You suppose they shout for you. Hey, Oga we suppose they pamper you. We suppose they, take care of you. Make sure say you they fine, they happy every day. Go come they shout for you. See, make I not lie give you. Me say if I not bad though. I not bad. See if say na me get the kind of opportunity which Oga get like this. You be say I get this kind of mansion. I can't get I can't get money. I can't get fine girl like you. I no go ever make you lack anything. I'm going to make sure say you dey happy. See, before you ask like this, I don't give you. I'm going to make sure say you dey happy every time. You know wetin go happen. No worry, no stress yourself. I dey here for you. I dey for you. 24/7, I dey for you. No worry, just make me and you move just dey. Make we dey. You supposed to understand wetin that they talk now. You know what's going to happen now. I want make you follow me go inside. Make I just give you small sugar.
I'm barely me, Joe.
You see, you sure say you know they like what you
Oh,
do.
stop now.
Sure say you know they like what you do. You sure?
Leave me now.
Come on, make I give you sugar.
Leave me. Yeah, leave me alone.
Well, I don't.
Yeah, leave me.
I don't leave.
Leave me now.
I don't
Wait,
leave.
see. No, yeah, leave me, Joe.
Uche, how far now? What's happening?
Onyama, you there for the bar now?
I did bar since now. I'm at the bar.
Sorry, no vex. I know things I could fit make am. I won't carry my neighbor wife go hospital. The guy just come in and say me I help and carry his wife go hospital. I beg. No vex, I beg. I no fee come.
Okay, no wahala now. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Since you won't be coming, I better start going home then. Waiter, please come.
Yes, okay, I know they come. Okay, I know they come, sorry. Sorry, Oga, sorry. Sorry, Oga, welcome, Oga.
Were you sleeping?
No, Oga.
So what took you so long to open the gate for me?
Oga, I dey toilet when you dey horn. My stomach been dey pain me, so I dey inside toilet. Welcome, Oga. Ogechi.
Sir, oh. Nah. Inatago. Welcome. Oh.
Yeah. Were you sleeping?
Yes.
Sorry, I woke you up. Yeah, I got you this. It's shawarma.
Shagini.
Shawarma. Just have it, you'll like it. Good night.
Shawarma.
Tired.
Oh. Did you see udara mmecha? Did you see okpadioko? Did you see shawarma?
Biachinidu, did the containers land this evening? How many? All right, correct. So were you able to clear them? Okay. When I come to the office tomorrow, I'll sign the papers. All right.
Husband man, did I serve you food?
Oh, no, don't worry. I don't like eating beans at night. I'll eat something else instead.
But why didn't you tell me now? You have tell me what you want to eat.
Ogechi, don't worry yourself, okay? I can always eat it in a day. By the way, how is your section with Mrs. Sarah going?
It's going fine.
I like that. I hope you're learning.
I'm learning plenty things. It's just that woman, she's speaking big English.
Look, Ogechi, I paid that woman a lot of money to teach you what she's teaching you. All I want you to do is pay close attention to whatever she's teaching you and learn. What did I say? Pay close attention and learn. Good.
But why are you paying big money for her to teach me? Why don't you teach me yourself?
Well, that's because I don't know how to teach.
You don't know how to teach, or you don't know what she's teaching me? Which one?
Look, I'm a businessman, okay? I do more of business than teaching, so. Just learn. That's all I want from you.
Oh, teacher. I don't know.
Ogechi, it seems you were still sleeping. Are you okay?
I'm just tired.
What's the problem?
I don't know. I just weak. I dey weak one kind.
You are still weak.
Yes.
You complained of same weakness yesterday.
And so I see am. Body just dey do me boko, make I sleep.
So when was the last time you saw your period?
My visitor. Now last month now.
Okay. So when are you supposed to see it again?
I don't know. Now visitor now. Anytime when you want visit, you go visit. No be so period they come.
Okay. I think you should go and rest. I'll come tomorrow, okay?
Okay, better. Because teacher, I never ready to learn anything. Sleep just they do.
I let their voices creep into my mind. Words like...
Welcome, sir.
Mrs. Sarah,
Good day.
Good day, how are you? Are you done already?
Not really. We didn't have a section today, sir.
Why is that?
Ogechi is not feeling fine. I think she's pregnant.
Mrs. Sarah, please don't say that. That is not possible. How could she be pregnant?
I'm a woman, sir, and I'm a mother too. I know when a woman is pregnant, the symptoms are so obvious. You're a man, you won't understand. I know what I'm saying.
Did she tell you she is pregnant?
Maybe you take her to a hospital to run a pregnancy test. Then prove me wrong, sir. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you.
Ogechi! Ogechi!
Oh, Mama. My husband, man. Natago. Welcome. Oh.
Are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant. I'm virgin.
You're what? Virgin?
Yes, I'm virgin.
Ogechi, I'll ask you again. Are you pregnant?
Sir, I'm virgin now.
You're virgin?
I'm virgin now.
Okay. Go inside. Get dressed. We're going to the hospital to run a test.
Hospital? No, I don't like hospital.
Why?
Because I don't go to hospital.
You don't like hospital because you don't go to the hospital?
I don't go, yes.
Okay. I'll be back.
Dear Mama. Hey. Hi. Father Lord, it's like my village people are finding me up here. Hey. Hi. Ogechi. 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 Hey, my village people don't come. Don't come here again.
Yes, madam, come. Yes, come.
What do you want to eat?
Ogechi.
Sir?
I am going to ask you for the last time, and I want you to tell me the truth. Nothing but the truth. Are you pregnant?
Sir, I'm not pregnant. I'm virgin now.
You're not pregnant?
Ogechi, for the last time, are you pregnant?
Okay.
Speak!
Husband, man, wait, is that day when you are shouting for me? You shout on my head, so I can't feel of my village. I can't feel sad. I said, make I just go outside, go collect small breeze.
Okay.
Now I did there, I just they cry. Now small time, Kizito come meet me. Kizito come they say, why fine girl like me go they cry. Say if Naim be your guy, if he gets all.
So what happened? Speak!
You can't say if Naim be your guy, we get this kind of beautiful girl. Say you no go they shout to give me. Now so he can't they sing for me. He can't say make we go inside room.
Okay, so what happened?
I can't they tell Kizito say I don't want to do that kind of thing. I know if we go inside room. Kizito say maybe go inside room. I can't go inside the room.
So what happened?
So Kizito can't offer you clothes. He off my clothes.
So what happened? You slept with Kizito?
Just small, oh.
Ogechi!
We don't even do plenty. No?
Shut up! You slept with Kizito?
We don't
Finished.
do long.
If I will slap you! Mrs. Sarah, please take. Go and run a test for her inside. Please.
Now just
Kizito!
Husband, man, now just 1 minute.
Kizito! Kizito! Come here.
I will kill you with my hands. I will kill you with my 2 hands. before you leave my house, I will kill you! Okay, what did I do? You're asking me what you did after impregnating Ogechi, right? Okay, let my devil and walk. Look, go inside. Pack your things and get out of my house this minute. Okay. If I see you anywhere in my house, I swear to God I will. Okay, go inside! Jesus Christ. I'm finished. If I meet you inside there, hurry up! Get out. Go. If I see you anywhere near this house again, I swear to God I will get out. Go, go. Get out! Go, get out! Idiot! Fool! Jesus Christ. Let me see you anywhere near my house. Stupid fool! Mr. Sarah, please, what is the result? Is she pregnant or not?
Sir, please calm down.
Go straight to the point, please. I don't have this time.
It's actually negative, sir.
Negative. All right, thank you. You may leave. Thank you. Hey, listen to me and listen to me real good. I want you to go inside that room. Pack everything that belongs to you. You're going to the village today. Right now! Go inside!
Husband man.
Go and pack your things! Go and pack your things! Nonsense! If I come downstairs and you're still in that room, I'll kill you! Came from the village and you get to sleep with Kizito. Nonsense. Rubbish! Hello, Chief Obina. Yes, I am sorry for the delay. I'm so sorry. I am sorting out some things at home. I have some issues. I am picking up the documents now and I'll meet you up at the venue. All right, thank you, sir. I'm so sorry for the delay, please. My documents. Where are my papers? Ogechi! 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 Come here. Come.
You said I should pack my things now. I'm packing my things.
Did you take my documents or not?
Sir, I don't see any documents.
I left my documents in my wardrobe. Brown envelope.
Don't carry it now.
Are you okay?
I didn't take any documents.
What is wrong with you? It's just you and I in this house. So where did it go to?
Which documents?
Brown envelope. All my documents, my house, my contract, everything is inside. Where did you take them to?
Hey. You know they get them. I don't know why you know they get this dance. If you want dance, anything Igbo dance, you go bend your waist like this. Oh yeah, shake my side. You go do your leg like this. Let's say you want to use toilet. You go shake her. You shake her. Oh yeah, shake her. Shake her. Shake her, shake her, shake her, shake her, shake her.
You know, tell this girl, I don't like this kind of thing.
Hey,
now
shake it, bumbo.
Now you say,
bumbo.
Because say you jealousy.
Pepper body. Oh yeah, bend down. Oh yeah, shake her, shake her. Oh yeah, they go.
Get the one where we dey do for worry. We dey carry two handkerchief, and so we go dey do one like this.
Everything na worry. Wetin dey worry you sef?
Na the same thing na.
I dey teach you Igbo dance. Go perform later end of year party now. I fit do party for my house.
Yeah, no wahala.
You know sabi do am.
Oh yeah, they teach the one we dey teach.
Tire. Tomorrow I'll train you again. Okay. I tire.
You say don't tire. Where dey be now?
You know they go again.
We go so dey go.
Abeg go. They go. Before my husband come here, come they shout for my head.
No, mo dey go. Mo dey leg.
Abeg go. You go arrange this house. Abeg now. Take God beg now. No, na help me. If he come back now, I see all this place scatter like this. You no go dey happy. Please,
No wahala.
No worry. I go give you jollof rice again. Oh yeah. Arrange. Abeg they clean no. They clean. I'm dance tired.
I'm so tired.
Why not they sit down now? Never arrange now. Stand up. Which kind of lazy baboons now they do like this now? Come.
But it not be firewood now.
Yes, we have come. Come help me clean upstairs now.
I know wahala.
That's how I scatter.
No.
Then. I bet when I arrange and well, oh, I dey come. Fast, oh, before you fish show. You know say Oga fish show anytime. Hey, come, make I show you something. Hey, you see my room. Hey, fine. beg, everywhere don't scatter. Hey.
Wow. So your room takes time fine.
Thank you. Now my chairman run out for me.
Hey, Ogechi.
What's it?
Hey, what's of this paper now? Man, take and give my sister, make she take sell akara.
Oh yeah, nah. Collect am sef. Now all those dirty way dey inside there, now I won't clear.
You mean now?
Everywhere just scatter, all those cupboard. Now so paper dey inside.
Jesus Christ. Ogechi, you did what?
My bad.
You what?
I can explain.
Where did you take them to? Where?
One yakara.
One yakara. Where's the woman? Where's the place? Go, move. Move! Jesus Christ, I'm finished.
After that when you dey far from me, say I no carry your money come. Now you talk o. Tell me say you never chop since morning, so make I carry the thing come.
See this man. Okay, akara don finish oh. Akara don finish.
Yeah, my friend be that.
See the one you give my document?
Yes, nah.
Where the paper she gave to you, please? The paper she gave to you.
Now bring that. Okay, wait now. Wetin dey happen here? Bring that now. Wetin happen?
Ogechi. Ogechi.
Sorry.
My last document.
Nah, be sure anyway. Sorry.
Jesus.
Waiting.
My business card. Jesus Christ. Oh, God, I'm finished. You finished. Jesus Christ. My passport!
I don't know if you gonna need them now. I say make I clean the house.
Jesus, I'm finished. You want to kill me, right? You're leaving my house this.
What are you doing?
My house this.
Now.
Yeah, get to the car. Go. Leaving my house this minute. Go inside. You want to kill me, right?
Let me find some new
things. Now.
Professor, maybe I know first. Let us sit down for a second. Say this one don't crazy. I know first. Maybe I sit down first. This one don't crazy. You say where you for go see?
No man, the time when I go, now
the time waiting.
The paper wey you use.
Which paper?
Now she give me the paper. I don't know.
Hey God, you don't put me for trouble. I don't know. I know first. I beg. You don't go put me for trouble.
Ha! Ah, wow. This one shocked me. Oh. You mean say this girl where you bring come, say she dey sleep with your gate man. You know they satisfy him.
You must be very stupid for saying that nonsense, Oche. You're stupid. Even if I don't satisfy her in bed, is that enough reason for her to go and sleep with my gate man? Is that enough reason? You won't believe since this girl came into my house, not for once have I touched her. I've never slept with her. She said she's a virgin. Yes, look at me like that.
Chinekeme.
Village girl virgin.
Chinekeme. Wait, the girl tell you say she be virgin, and you believe her? Wait, Kennedy, you want tell me say for the past 3 months where this girl don't deal with you, you never knock her?
Uche, please don't get me upset. No, provoke me. No, do am. You have messed up my life with your useless village girl ideology. Are you happy now?
Take am easy now. Take am easy. Your blood too dey hot. Take am easy now.
What's easy? This is all your fault. You caused all this nonsense.
Bros, no, they shout at me now. What did I do?
Yes, this is all your fault. You caused this nonsense.
Bros, take am easy. Oh. Take am easy. Why they raise your voice now? No be advice I give you. I want save you make you no come marry all these hookup girls wey plenty everywhere. You can't take the advice. How it be my fault? I put God for your head. I force you say make you don't dicky.
So this
take am easy now. Take am easy. I give you update. You know what for you? So
this is all you have to say, Uche.
What did I go talk before?
I blame myself for listening to you.
I give you update. The update no come work for you. You can't dey one change am for me. I do bad thing.
No blame me at all.
I do bad thing.
I blame myself for listening to you in the first place. I don't blame you.
Ha! See wahala.
Don't blame me at all.
Person when I give update, you go use them. I don't know how you use them. It no work well for you. I want save you make you not marry all these girls. You go to talk say. Now my fault say the thing don't work for you. Now I know how you carry on the thing. You can't come from my street where I package myself. Come to shout. Stop amo! Stop amo!
Ooh. I let the voices creep into my mind. Words like shadows, leaving doubts behind. You were my heartbeat, but I turned away, lost in the chaos and confusion of what they will say. Now I wonder if I have lost you. My heart's in despair.
I shouldn't have listened to all those crap which he told me about. City girl's not good enough for marriage. I mean, why did I even listen to him in the first place? Now I miss Vicky. I miss her so much. I miss her company. I miss her intelligence. I miss her beautiful smile. I wish I can have her back. Treat her real good. I'll treat her like the princess, like the queen that she is.
What are you doing here?
Why, Vicky? Why, Susan?
I said, what are you doing here?
Vicky, I want us to talk.
Do I look like someone who wants to talk to you?
Okay, I know you're hot, but I'm sorry, please. Just give me a chance to explain what really happened.
Hey, please just stop blabbing, okay? When you're done blabbing, you get your silly self out of my house.
Please.
Get out! Don't ever call me when this guy is here again.
To douse my curiosity, I would like to know, what do you want? Huh?
I want her back.
That's not possible.
I'm sorry. Please. Baby, please forgive me. I was wrong. I was stupid. I was foolish. I was sick. Just call me any name, but please, don't leave me. Please, I beg you. Please, my life has been a mess without you. I admit it. I messed up big time. But please, take me back. I miss you so much. I miss you. Please, please. I promise I will never hurt you again. I'll treat you like the queen that you are. Please.
Get up. You promise?
Across my heart. I'll never hurt you again, please.
I let
Guess what, babe?
their voices into my mind.
Yeah, baby.
Words
I know, right?
like shadows.
Look at it, look at it, look at it. He literally just proposed to me, and I'm so happy. You're actually gonna be my chief bridesmaid. You know that, right? So come along with your friends, because I'm expecting you. I know. I'm so happy, baby. I'm so happy. Diamond, for that matter. Oh, really? Oh, okay, no problem. Just get ready. Stay with your friends, pretty friends. I don't want ugly girls. Oh, okay, babe. Oh, this is my baby. Say hello to these guys. Okay, baby, I'll call you back, right? Take care. Mwah. Bye. Ooh, why did you need to frame my call like that?
Sure, upstairs. Hey, don't stay far away from me again. Please. Come here. Please don't do it. I missed you. Let's go. Yeah.
No. Okay. No, let me catwalk. This is how I walk down the aisle with you.
Okay.
Okay. Mrs. Kennedy. Okay. Asa Odogu. No, don't worry. I don't want to stress you. No, don't worry.
My heart, I'm staying with the one that I love from the start. Now I wonder if I have lost you. Yeah, my heart's in despair. Oh, caught in the noise and chaos, and I forgot the love we shared. I was so blind. Now I clearly see that you are the one. You are the one. You are the one meant for me. Regrets like echoes, but I'm learning fast. Your love's a treasure. I want it to last. No more listening to what they have to say. I'll hold you closer. Never drift away.